What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because we have a new product to test out. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Concealer. I was kindly gifted this by Skeepers and Estee Lauder, so thank you so much for gifting this to me. That car was loud. Anyway, thank you so much for gifting this to me. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell if you have not already so you can be notified of all my future uploads. I like to do makeup, skincare videos, and my collection, everything behind me. I go through it thoroughly. But let's get into this concealer. So they sent me shade 0.5N. I wasn't really sure what shade I was going to need because I got to pick my shade. Here is the packaging. I think this is really cute. I love Estee Lauder's packaging for all of their stuff. So there are 30 shades. This is the second shade and this is 0.5N. I'm looking on the website and this is $38. So it is 24-hour weightless wear, 24-hour oil control, 24-hour non-caking, 24-hour non-pouring, 24-hour settle, increase resistant, immediate moisture, water resistant, sweat transfer and humidity resistant, multi-use, skin perfecting 24-hour concealer. So I'm wondering if I had a darker shade, if I could use that for contour. Blurs imperfections for a soft focus matte finish, high performance featherweight formula, melts onto skin, flexible, weightless, breathable wear, medium to full coverage, which I know that's like one of the main things is how much coverage do you get from this. 3D sculpting wand, which I'm going to show you. This wand is insane. I do really like the wand. It says 3D sculpting wand, expertly designed for targeted multi-use application so you can define your own look with precision and control. Thin micro precision edge allows for precise micro-controlled application, which basically just repeated itself. Macro curved side forms to facial contours for an all-over coverage. Micro point tip is perfect for small and hard-to-reach areas, which I have been using this for a week now. I really wanted to get my thoughts on it, so I'm going to apply it, and when I apply it, let me zoom you in a little. So I don't have anything else on my face. I don't go in with concealer first, but today I will. So it does get in there and it does have good coverage. I use a sponge for everything. Well, for concealer, brushes I feel like leave it cakey. I think it blends out well. The only thing, I'm going to be honest, that I didn't like about it is I have really dry skin. So if you have dry skin, this probably is not a concealer for you. If you have balanced skin, oily skin, this might be a product for you. Because I feel like it leaves my under eyes looking really dry. Like it gives me coverage. Like I have really bad dark circles. But look at that difference. Like I really enjoyed the coverage. It was just... for me, with my dry skin, it was just not it. But I think the formula is really good. And I feel like this is something that like my sister would enjoy. A concealer that she would like. And honestly, this is probably a perfect shade for her too. So there it is under both eyes. I have some redness here. I'm just going to take what is left on my sponge. I mainly have redness on this side because I'm using one of those micro patches. But let's see. So it does cover the redness well. Not as much as it would if I had like a color corrector. But it is a drier formula. Like this formula is dry. Okay, I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and come back and show you what it looks like after I set it with powder. So I really do like this concealer. I feel like maybe in the summertime I will use this more. This definitely isn't a winter concealer for me. The formula is just too dry. Like I said, like if you have dry skin, this probably is not going to be your friend. Maybe in the summer. I'm going to keep using it to see if maybe less concealer will be better. I don't think I use that much though. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and keep an eye out for a post for a wear test. I will be wearing this for about 4 or 5 hours, and I will post a picture of what it looks like, and I will add a link to the post in the description so that you can just check it out from there. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!